Hi guys, this is gsm.com and I'm here with the brand new Motorola Edge 60 Fusion in the green version, or as they call it, Amazonite. It's covered with silicone polymer, basically leather, and we're here to recap some of its specs, even if we don't know all of them by heart already. So, at the back side we find the 50 megapixel camera with a Sony Lithia 700 series sensor. Next to it there's the LED flash, and we also have a 13 megapixel ultra wide camera with autofocus for your macro needs. This is a special flicker sensor, which reminds me of the Moto G75. Why a flicker sensor? Well, to get rid of this annoying flicker, which I have on my own iPhone 16 Pro Max. That's the back side. So we also have the slope design, which reminds me of Oppo, and at the front we have a 32 megapixel selfie camera. And guess what? Aside from these cameras, they also change the camera interface. So if you go here, you can see a more generic approach, closer to stock. Now the camera options are already familiar. There's night vision, there's panorama, ultra res, photo booth, tilt shift, time lapse, dual capture. We have a pro mode with exposure, shutter, ISO, white balance. Then there's also portrait here with various focal lengths, and of course the blur. Then there's the photo area with the color profiles here. You can press here and choose natural or auto enhance. And then we have slow motion as well as video. Guess what? So we have 4K video for the back camera, going as far as, if I saw correctly, 60 frames per second would be nice. So 4K 60. 4K 60 on the mid-range, not bad. Then if you go to the front, you can have 4K 30, which is good for your vlogging needs. There's something interesting here. Motorola claims that it wants to be more appealing for people who come from other brands. That's why in this customization area called personalize, you're even able to change the order of the buttons at the bottom. So recent and back can be swapped like there are on other brands. So that's pretty cool. You can mess around with the fonts, colors, icon shapes, fingerprint animation, and so forth. Now, aside from that, there's a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 series processor here, as well as 8 gigs of RAM, plus an extra from a RAM boost feature. And if you access the app area, there's a curious thing. There's an AI bar here, ask or search, and you can see its feature. It's catch me up, that summarized notification, which then we have pay attention, which records, transcribes, and summarizes things, and remember this, which saves screenshots, photos, and text notes. There's also Magic Canvas, which creates an image with generative AI, and this one doesn't have an AI button, but the brand new Razrs you see at the back, those ones have an AI button. Okay, so the battery has also increased. It goes past 5000 mAh, and for productivity you are going to get here Smart Connect, which does a lot of things like stream applications, create a mobile desktop area, have your phone mirrored on a PC, turn your phone into a webcam, transfer files, use a hotspot feature, smart clipboard, share a cursor on a laptop and a tablet from Lenovo, and other such things. Okay, of course there's family space if you want to create a profile for your little one. There's Moto Secure, there's Moto Unplugged if you want to get rid of the distractions and only have basic features on your phone. This is Android 15 and with a stock interface, well, rather Motorola, and I'm pretty sure we're going to get at least 4 or even 5 years of updates, considering what we had previously on the Edge series. So this is the Edge 60 Fusion. There should be also Edge 60 Pro, and this is another color version. It's called Zephyr. This is the Zephyr, sort of pink-like, and we have also this one here, which is called Slipstream. It reminds me of a rubber, a tire or something like that. Of course, curved screen because it's an Edge model. It's an OLED screen with high refresh rate, and goes past 6.6 inches, maybe even 6.7. That's about it so far. This has been the preview for the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion.